What up guys, this is Fury King and I'm here with a video on Photoshop that can you guys learn Photoshop in less than 5 minutes. I'm going to make this fast, so if you guys want you can always pause the video. So without wasting any time, let's dig in. You have to open Photoshop, go to File, click on New, and this will open document where you can do all the settings you want for a document. Another option is Control N, and it will open the same box you want. Just click on Create, and it will create a new document, a new artboard. Double click on the base layer, the layer panel, and click OK to unlock the layer. Another way is uncheck or click on the lock icon to unlock. A quick tip on shortcut is Ctrl J to duplicate the layers. I will press and hold Shift and select the layers and press Ctrl G. This will take all the layers and form a group of a specific name. So I'm going to delete it right now. Quickly, I'm going to import an image in Photoshop. To place the image in the artboard, I simply have to click Enter. To transform it again, Control T. There's a quick modification in the latest version of Photoshop is that you just simply have to press Alt and drag the corners, and it will transform proportionately. You can press Control and you can always skew and distort the image. Right click, you can flip it vertically. Right click, you can flip it horizontally, and you can also do the perspective. In any point of time you want to cancel the transformation changes you're making, simply press Escape and it will go back to default. Control T to transform again. Press and hold Alt, and I am dragging the corners to transform the image, and pressing Enter to save the changes I have made. Control U is for hue and saturation, where I can change the hue, saturation, and lighting of an image. There are some cool adjustments over here. One which I like is the vibrance. For me, saturation sometimes burn the color, but if you choose vibrance, it will keep the quality and still enhance the image. Also, there are like a couple of effects. If you go to filter over here, there are like multiple of them. I want to try and blur my image, so I'll go to blur. I'll choose the right image. I'll go to filter, blur, and Gaussian blur. And if I check and uncheck the preview button, I can see the effects being applied. So I'll click on OK. I want one more effect, so I go to filter, distort, and I'll try the spherize this time and press OK. Right now, if I want to add a text on top of it, and one more thing, if you cannot find any layers like adjustment properties or swatches, gradient, anything, something missing which you want, you simply go to window and you can find everything here. Just check and uncheck and it will come back here. So adding text, just press T on your keyboard and click anywhere and start typing. I'll type my name on it right now, and I'll just make it bigger. So if I use a brush tool and type B on my keyboard, I cannot. If I want to erase it and press E on my keyboard, I cannot, because this is a type format right now. So I have to make it rasterize. Same I can do for the image. So right click on it and rasterize type. So see, it changed. So now I can erase it. I can brush anything on top of it. Cool thing is the mask. So if you select this will be added a box, and just select it, choose the brush tool and press X, and pressing X again and again you can toggle in between the foreground and background color. So black will clean and erase everything. If you press X and toggle it to white, white will reveal it back again. One cool tip is double click on the text layer, and this will open a separate layer style box where you can add gradient. There are like multiple effects which is available for you for free. Press OK. You can add a stroke, you can add an inner glow or inner shadow, and press OK. If you want, you can right click on it, copy the layer style, go to the image, right click, and paste the layer style. The same image or the layer style will be pasted on the image. Right click and clear the layer style, it will go off. Now last thing is Control S, and I will name it image. I'll choose the folder or anywhere you want to save type, any format you want. I'll save it as JPEG, and it also exists, so I will save it and There's the change. So hope you guys learn how to quickly edit and manipulate your image in less than 5 minutes. If you want a longer video, you can always comment in the comment section, and I'll be more happy to help. Thank you. This is Fury King signing off.